Okay, we will discuss here today about pronoun and antecedent, right? First, I think we all know pronouns are the way. So pronouns are words that are used in place of noun in a sentence. Means pronoun chikam ne da aga words di chikam mang use ko the noun pozebani. The noun pozebani chikam word mang use ko aga tawele shi pronoun. Au chikam noun replace shi naga tamanga antecedent ho. Laka the noun being replaced is known an antecedent. Ata be mang so antecedent. Clear? मतलब दादी che let's say Mangdal Tasu che Ahmad. Let me write here, okay? Ahmad is a good boy. He eats too much. Okay, that is crazy. Now, Ahmad is a noun. Okay, our damanga suko represent manga pronoun use ko. Our come pronoun chi use ki. Come pronoun chi noun replace kiya tam antecedent wo sahi. Also using pronouns manga pronoun we use koso. There's a many factors which are involved here. The first one is chikalat noun bar use ke. You mean I mean like say if I check this one sentence Ahmad. Ahmad is a good boy and Ahmad eats too much and Ahmad blah 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 etc. So this is a little bit sound unnatural, right? No manga chi you shizo manga noun chikam de represent pronoun diru isku chara sentence awkward na lagi aga natural lagi natural aga खासियत पे पैदा कौल पर मंगा सको pronoun इसको second खबरदार है कि word repeat की मतलब same repeating word चिकम दे people get bored. So there are two reasons. The first one is to avoid sound unnatural. So I mean matlab that we just want the sentence to be natural. Like, and the second one is we just want to ignore the repetitive words. So means the people will get bored. Repetitive by reusing the same noun in a sentence multiple times just create problem. Clear? Let's take the example. You see, John said, you see here, John said that John wants to use the computer that belongs to John. So, that sentence becomes a little bit sound unnatural. Repetitive words noun again and again you show that John, etc. No dire waje manga the reputation chikam de kum repetition pe show da khatma wal au bal chikam ne the sentence proper sound working natural sound working dire waje manga pronoun isko no manga this show le kane John. Let me take this sentence. You see John said that he means John wants to use the computer that belongs to him and him also who John. So that sentence become the more natural and the Belgium sentence the little bit awkward the same words बार इस्तेमाल शुरू देखा ना मगर पुख्तो कम चले का मतलब ये कस बार यू चीज़ जिक्र करना सिद्ध से अजीब लगी हाँ उस चिकम दे यो खबर के बला no mung chalo ko mung the John's pozebani chikam de personal the sentence is awkward because John is repeated so many times. Instead we can use a personal pronoun to stand in the name of antecedent to make the sentence sound more natural. Now John said that he wants to use the computer that belongs to him. So in addition to making the sentence sound better, the pronoun provides specific information telling us that John is the third person. उस दाम तो सो कि John चिकम में लायो द्रेम कस्ती मतलब first person, second person and third person. like मतलब I चिकम the first person, you second person and he she it चिकम the अगसी third person की consider की. So if the sentence were in first person, let's say the sentence में first person की लिखो. I said I said that I want to use the computer that belong to me. So these are the pronoun, and we just want to avoid the awkwardness and repetition of the same words in a sentence. So for that purpose, we are using pronoun. Now we never use our own name when we talk about what we are doing in the first person. So we use personal pronouns instead of antecedent. So mean that delta gora mango I delta chimang khpal numwal in use nusko zakachi kala first kala chi kala khpal bara ke khabara ke to first personal sorry personal pronoun but sike use ke सब use ke personal pronoun ba use ke zaka خپل نوم مطلب چې یوز کړي ستا for antecedent شو کنه نو موږ personal pronoun څخه یوز کوو خدینه علاوه چې کوم دی په دې کې وی کنه چې دا ستا سره چې کوم they can be a subject pronoun کې څه تکه چې دا subject هم کې دی شي object sentence هم شي کېدلی او sometime it can follow the linking verb to rename, redefine subject and known as a subject complement or subject complement. The subject, object and subject complement already manga for previous videos ke discuss ki tha chukka hai. Was MCQs portion hai just for understanding. Dekhe ta वही करना first. I take my dog to the park, but he keeps barking at the other. But this sentence ke mung ta so we can choose the most suitable to identify antecedent in a sentence. So we have to identify the antecedent in the following. So here you see I take my dog and this is the noun to the park, but he is the pronoun and the pronoun which replace the noun that is called antecedent. So here this is antecedent and this is the pronoun. So example option number C, option number C is the correct option. My neighbor is a nice person. So the my neighbor chicken just as a noun is a nice person and he is the pronoun which is used instead of this. And he walks in the bag. My neighbor is a nice person. My neighbor chicken aga nice person de. Oh, the nice person chicken de dire paramanga se use kale de. Dire paramanga pronoun use kale pronoun se de he de. Okay. दिन अलावा चिकन दे ऑप्शन पदी किसे फर्स्ट ऑप्शन सही लेकिन बल एमसीक्यूज में से when you see my manager please inform him that I will be coming late to the office because my manager भी ना तो वो ज़बरदस्त later on informing नज़ल द my manager स्टार्ट से शरे noun दे and the पजे मन मंगा यूज करे inform him so के inform का manager inform का and this is the pronoun and come noun په ځای باندې چې تکم pronoun use کی نه هغه noun ته ویل شي هغه ته ویل شي antecedent. So this is the antecedent here. Clear? د دې نه علاوه چې کوم دی number MCQs number 4 Mary called to say she will arrive at 10 o'clock. So here Mary is the noun. Okay, and Mary called to say she will no she chicken de manga pronoun use kare cha pa zebani Mary pa zebani au da Mary chicken de this is the noun au da the pronoun show au chikala the noun pa zebani pronoun use ki no چې د کوم noun په ځای باندې تا pronoun use کړي نو هغه noun ته به موږ antecedent وو او دا دغه تاسو Mary noun دی او دا antecedent د دې په ځای باندې موږ څه she use کړي. Now Sherry put her bag on the table. So here Sherry is the noun, clear? And put her, this is the her is the pronoun. Okay, this is the pronoun. Other pronoun which are used instead of Sherry, and Sherry is the noun, and this is called antecedent. So I think this is more than enough for today. And for more video, you should subscribe, like, and share the channel. Thank you so much for watching.